Dear students, in previous lectures we have seen that income tax is levied or charged by the central government. Today we will see how this is charged in detail. The Parliament of India every year passes Finance Act which specifies the rate for taxes to be imposed in that particular assessment year. Means Finance Act is passed by the government or by the parliament of that country, and it determines the rate for taxes to be imposed in that particular assessment year. Now all of us have heard one term which is very much popular among us, that is budget. Let's see what is budget first, which is as it is associated with income tax. Budget word सुना है ना? Okay. इन न्यूज़ और न्यूज़पेपर्स में पढ़ते हैं बजट. सो ये बजट क्या है? लेट्स सी इट फर्स्ट. अ फिनांस एक्ट is the fiscal or financial legislation enacted by the Indian Parliament to give effect to the financial proposals of the central government. Okay, it is enacted once a year and contains provisions relating to income tax, customs, excise, again integrated GST and other taxes also. It may also contain provisions to amend other acts as the government to affect its fiscal policy or financial policy. Okay, now the bill which is produced in the parliament, that bill is usually termed as the budget, and it is introduced in parliament by the finance minister of that country. In our India, finance minister will produce that bill in the parliament. Budget is defined as an estimate of income and expenditures for a set period of time. Generally it is of 1 year. Okay, what is the definition of budget? Budget is defined as an estimate of income and expenditures for a set period of time. Generally it is of 1 year. Okay, a budget is a financial plan for a defined period. It's often it is for 1 year. It may also include planned sales volumes and revenues, resource quantities, cost and expenses, assets, liabilities and cash flows also. Companies, governments, even families and other organizations, big organizations, use it to express strategic plans of activities or events in measurable terms. A budget is the sum of finances allocated for a particular purpose and the summary of intended expenditures along with proposals for how to meet them. It may include a budget surplus, providing money for use at a future time, or a deficit. Deficit means in which expenses exceed income. Means जितना इनकम है उससे भी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसेस अगर रहते हैं, दैट इज डेफिसिट. उसको डेफिसिट बजट बोलते हैं. ओके, और अ डेफिसिट इन विच एक्सपेंसेस एक्सीड इनकम. डेफिसिट मीन्स एक्सपेंसेस एक्सीड इनकम से भी ज़्यादा expenses means खर्चे हो जाते हैं, that is deficit. All the elements included in the Finance Act associated with a particular financial year are of course of importance. Even so, there are particular elements that take place or that take precedence over the others, that overtakes the others. It proves its own importance over the others. Okay, the most important element is the rules laid down in the act with respect to income tax rates. Okay, every year the act lays down in detail all the associated provisions related to income tax in the country, in that particular country. Since this applies to a large number of taxpayers, as the rates or that income tax rates that is applicable to large number of taxpayers, means all these citizens who are taxpayers, okay, it is considered one of the most important element. Which element? The element that is associated with the rules laid down in the act with respect to income tax rates. Okay, this is the critical element of the every financial act. Rules that are laid down in the act with respect to income tax rates. This is the very much important or very much critical element of every financial act. The Finance Act is responsible for laying down the tax slabs that applies to taxpayers. The Finance Act is responsible for laying down the tax slabs that is applicable to taxpayers. The Finance Act for a particular financial year also includes the amendments that have been made with respect to direct taxes. In very first lecture, we have seen that there are two types of taxes, that is, first one is direct taxes and another one is indirect taxes. Okay, so the Finance Act, income tax is direct tax. Okay, the Finance Act for a particular financial year also includes the amendments that have been made with respect to direct taxes. Again, the amendments made under various sections are noted down in this section of the Finance Act, and each amendment of every section is noted down separately. Also included in the Finance Act is the details of the insertion of new sections. If any new section is added, that is also inserted in the Finance Act. जो प्रीवियस फिनांस एक्ट है, जो पिछले साल का फिनांस एक्ट है, से फिनांस एक्ट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड और प्रिपेयर्ड एवरी ईयर. ओके, सो पिछले साल की इसमें अगर कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट करना है, पिछले साल के फिनांस एक्ट में अगर कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट करना है, सो जो इंप्रूवमेंट का जो पार्ट रहेगा दैट विल बी इंसर्टेड इन द न्यू अपकमिंग फिनांस एक्ट. ओके, द फिनेंशियल एक्ट determines first one is rates of income tax, surcharge on income tax, rates for deduction of tax at source, details of advance tax, and details for computation of net agricultural income. In a previous lecture we have seen that what is agricultural income. Okay, so all these aspects are determined in the Financial Act. Which are those? Rates of income tax, surcharge on income tax, rates for deduction of tax at source, details of advance tax, and details for computation of net agricultural income. Okay, now the what are the surcharge on income tax and one another term, that is a consolidated fund. ये जो दो टर्म्स है we will say it in upcoming lectures, means next lecture. Okay, so जो rates of income tax is determined by the Financial Act. This rate, जो income tax का कितना rate लगेगा, that is determined by the Financial Act. In short or in simple words, Indian Parliament or say central government, it sets up Financial Commission, means central government sets up Financial Commission. It prepares, that Financial Commission prepares Financial Act. Financial Act means certain rules and regulations and rates of income tax or any other taxes are determined in that proposal which is prepared by the Finance Commission. ओके, अभी वो जो जो प्रपोजल है दैट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट, that gets approval by the Indian Parliament, and that proposal or the bill, okay, that proposal or the bill is called as budget. Okay, and in that budget rate of income tax is the rules which are associated with the rates of income tax are contained. Okay, it is in simple words. Okay, means जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है वो फिनांस कमीशन सेटअप करता है, फिनांस कमीशन फिनांस एक्ट बनाता है, वो जो बिल रहता है फिनांस एक्ट का जो बिल रहता है दैट इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द फिनांस कमीशन. ओके, और उसमें जो भी कंटेंट्स रहते हैं इन रिगार्ड्स ऑफ टैक्सेस, जो अपना कंसर्न है रेट्स ऑफ इनकम टैक्स, ओके, जो कंटेंट्स रहते हैं दैट आर गेट्स अप्रूव्ड इन दी पार्लियामेंट. ओके, और उसको क्या कहते हैं, जो पूरा बिल रहता है दैट उस बिल को क्या कहते हैं, बजट. वो जो बिल जो प्रिपेयर्ड बिल रहता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बजट. ओके, एंड दिस बजट और फिनांस एक्ट is prepared every financial year. Okay, it is prepared every financial year, and in case in any of the year if finance act is not passed, just assume karo, okay, in any year if the finance act is not passed, then taxes will be charged as per the provisions of the earlier finance act. Okay, suppose in the year 2021-22 अगर कोई बजट ही पास नहीं होता है इन इंडियन पार्लियामेंट में, ओके, इंडियन पार्लियामेंट में बजट पास नहीं होता है. पार्लियामेंट क्या है पता है ना आपको, देयर आर टू हाउसेस, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा. अपने हिस्ट्री में अगर थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा होगा. ओके, पार्लियामेंट इट इज कंसिस्टेड ऑफ टू हाउसेस, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा. राज्यसभा इज कॉल्ड एज अपर हाउस एंड लोकसभा इज कॉल्ड एज लोअर हाउस. ओके, थोड़ा हिस्ट्री में आपको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज ले लेना बाद में हिस्ट्री के बारे में. ओके, हिस्ट्री में भी नहीं आएगा, सॉरी हिस्ट्री नहीं, सिविक्स में. ओके, सो in any case, suppose in any of the year if finance act is not passed, then taxes means rate of income tax will be charged as per the provisions of the earlier finance act. अगर 2021-22 में पास नहीं होता है तो जो रेट ऑफ इनकम टैक्सेस रहेंगे वो कौन से अप्लीकेबल रहेगा, दैट इज जो मीन्स 2020-21 के लिए जो रेट था सेम रेट्स विल बी अप्लीकेबल टू द 2021-22. ओके, क्लियर? लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट समरी. इनकम टैक्स इज अ टैक्स चार्ज्ड ऑन इनकम ऑफ एनी पर्सन. इनकम टैक्स इज एन एनुअल टैक्स ऑन इनकम ऑफ दैट पर्सन. ओके, इनकम अर्नड इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर इज टैक्स्ड in the subsequent year. The year in which the income is earned is known as previous year, and the immediately following year, that is financial year in which the income is taxed, is known as assessment year. Okay, income earned in previous year ending suppose March 31st 2021, okay, and 2020-21, that is 2020-21, okay, the assessment year or the financial year is, assessment year not financial year 2020-21 will chargeable to tax in the assessment year. Which year? 2021-22. Okay, means 2020-21 का जो इनकम टैक्स है वो कौन से असेसमेंट ईयर में पे करना पड़ेगा? दैट इज 2021-22. The rates at which the income is charged or chargeable is fixed annually by the Finance Act. जैसे कि हमने अभी देखा है, ओके, फिनांस एक्ट. इनकम ऑफ अ पर्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी कंप्लीटेड फॉर द टैक्सेबिलिटी पर्पज. इनकम ऑफ अ पर्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी completed for the taxability purpose. Income tax is to be collected at source and required to be deposited with the government or to the government by the person responsible for its collection. जो भी कलेक्ट करेगा, जो भी इनकम टैक्स कलेक्ट करेगा, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि ही विल डिपॉजिट दैट इनकम टैक्स टू द गवर्नमेंट. सो इनकम टैक्स इज ऑलवेज डिडक्टिबल फ्रॉम द इनकम and it may be payable in advance. Now the Finance Act and Budget. The Indian Parliament sets up Finance Commission that prepares Finance Act, and its proposal. Okay, अभी वो जो proposal है that will be produced in Indian Parliament and gets its approval. After approval of that bill, before approval it is called as bill, and after approval it is called as budget. That is called as budget. Hope you have understand all these points, and in next lecture we will see what is consolidated fund, what is surcharge tax, and many more. Okay, so we will stop here now. If you have any query or difficulty regarding today's lecture, please call me or simply do a message. Okay, thanks all of you. Bye, take care, stay safe, have a nice day.